Welcome, gadget enthusiasts, ready to check out some of the coolest stuff you can buy online? Let's dive right in. So, you're at home sprawling on the couch, phone on silent, movie on pause. You suddenly crave some popcorn. But the thought of getting up kills the vibe. What if, with a simple click, your lights dimmed, the popcorn machine whirred to life, and your smart speaker started pumping movie snack tunes? That's the magic of the LINXURA smart controller. It's like a universal remote for your entire smart home. Lights, speakers, appliances, you name it, all controllable with a click or two. It can handle over 50 devices, even the ones you control with Alexa, Google Home, or IFTT. How is this even possible? The LINXURA has a cool e-paper screen that shows 4 devices at a time. A handy click wheel lets you scroll through all your gadgets. But here's the best part. You can customize how it works. Want 1 click to turn on a light and 2 clicks to turn it off? Done. Want to hold the click wheel to adjust the brightness? Easy. You can even set up automated screens like a perfect movie night set up with dimmed lights and popcorn popping. School, work, art projects, the iPad seems to be everywhere these days. Sure, it's portable and convenient, but nothing beats the feeling of pen on paper, right? Especially for note-taking or sketching. Ugh, that slippery screen just doesn't cut it. This is Paperlike, a screen protector that promises to bring back that papery goodness. 2 protectors in a pack, score. Installation is a breeze. Clean your screen, then line up the Paperlike protector perfectly. The secret sauce? Microbead technology. Straight from Switzerland that mimics the texture of the actual paper. These tiny bumps give your Apple Pencil just the right amount of resistance, making writing feel natural again. It even sounds like you're putting pen to paper. Plus, say goodbye to constant fingerprint cleaning and hello to a matte finish that's easier on the eyes. Paperlike basically turns your iPad into a notebook you can take anywhere. You know that feeling when you're walking home alone at night and someone seems a little too close behind you? Yeah, major creep factor. Whipping out your phone to film can be risky, but pretending nothing's happening isn't exactly ideal either. Enter the PHONECAM, this tiny lifesaver that clips right onto my jacket. Think of it like a super discreet bodyguard. It's smaller than a lighter and has a built-in camera, so it doesn't scream SOS device. 1 click puts it on standby, a white light letting anyone getting a little too friendly know they're on camera. Hopefully that's enough to deter trouble. But if things go south, a 2nd click turns the red light on and starts recording footage to the cloud. My best friend even gets an alert with a live feed, my location, and a 2-way chat so they can call for help if needed. Peace of mind for $69? Sign me up, especially since the basic plan covers me for most situations. Plus, a little extra security on my late-night dog walks is worth every penny. Feeling the need to print on the go but tired of lugging around a clunky printer? This little portable powerhouse might be your new best friend. It's about the size of a textbook, so it easily fits into your backpack without weighing you down. But don't let its size fool you. This printer can crank up to 130 sheets of paper on a single charge, which is more than enough for most on-the-go printing needs. It uses A4 thermal paper, which is readily available and connects to your devices like a champ. iOS, macOS, Android, Windows 7 or higher, it works with them all. You can connect via Bluetooth for wireless printing or use the included USB cable. There's even a dedicated app that lets you edit documents before printing so you can ensure everything looks perfect. The package includes a handy storage bag to keep everything organized, plus 5 sheets of thermal paper to get you started. This printer is 80% smaller than your average office printer, making it a dream come true for frequent travelers who deal with contracts, receipts, or other documents on the go. At $160, it's a steal. So, the other day I ditched the clunky hoverboard and went full-on futuristic with these SEGWAY NINEBOT Drift W1 electric roller skates. 2 wheels, 1 per foot. I was nervous at first, way different than my old rollerblades. But these things are surprisingly intuitive. The single wheel self-balance and the tread design help you steer with your body weight, just like carving on a snowboard. Wobble on 1 foot, no worries, the other keeps you upright. Plus, with a weight limit of 220 pounds, they feel super sturdy, perfect for cruising around. The best part, they're loaded with tech. The magnesium body is light as a feather, but strong enough to hold my whole frame. The battery keeps me rolling for almost an hour on a single charge, which is plenty for me to explore my neighborhood. Rain? No problem. The These things have waterproof casings and dual battery protection, so a little sprinkle won't kill the vibe. Do you want to explore more affordable cool gadgets? Hit that subscribe button for exclusive content and be part of the excitement. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's got the coolest bathroom tech of all? You do if you snag a CAPSTONE smart mirror. This isn't your grandma's vanity staple. This bad boy is basically a hidden touchscreen waiting to be woken up. Need a quick weather check before you head out the door? Got it. Want to catch up on emails while you brush your teeth? Done. Feeling fancy and in need of a makeup tutorial? Search YouTube directly on the mirror and learn from the pros. The CAPSTONE Smart Mirror even lets you browse the web for music, news, or that perfect workout video. But wait, there's more. The mirror can turn your mirroring routine into a one-stop shop. Check traffic and plan your commute, all while getting ready. Plus, it lets you connect your Bluetooth speaker for a morning dance party because why not? The OURA ring might not be made of magical mithril, but this little health tracker has become my precious. Back in 2020, everyone from NBA stars to celebs like Kim Kardashian seemed to be sporting one. What made this ring so intriguing? Because I was sure fascinated. A ring that tracked my sleep recovery and even whispered rumors of period prediction? Sold. Looks aren't exactly the OURA ring's strong suit though. Think more of Frodo's Quest jewelry than a fashion statement, but hey, function over fashion, right? Besides, this new version crams in some serious tech, a bunch of sensors for temperature and heart rate, and even one to monitor my blood oxygen levels. It's a bit wider than I'd like, especially for my hobbit-sized fingers, but the extra tracking power seems worth it. Charging is a breeze, a couple of hours on the charger and I'm good to go for days of data collection. The real treasure lies within the OURA app. It takes all that data the ring gathers and transforms it into 3 key scores: readiness, sleep, and activity. A high score means I'm feeling good and ready to conquer the day, while a low one might be a sign I need to take it easy or tweak my routine. Honestly, that's the info I crave most. Longing for a big sound that travels light? Let me tell you about the KNZ GODUO speakers. These little guys are my new favorite travel companions. I used to lug around a bulky Bluetooth speaker, but it felt like a brick in my backpack, not ideal for those long hikes or beach days. But now with the KNZ GODUO, these speakers are compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand. But don't let their size fool you. They pump out impressive sounds that can fill a room or even reach my ears from 15 meters away if I'm setting up camp by the beach. You can use them together for stereo sound or separate them for a wider soundscape. It's perfect for creating that immersive outdoor concert experience. And yes, the battery life, it's amazing. A single charge lasts for a whopping 18 hours. That's more than enough to keep the tunes going for a long day trip. And I never have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of nowhere. If you've ever experienced being stuck on a stuffy airplane or a scorching train ride like me, then you'd love to lay your hands on the VENTY fan. This tiny wireless wonder is about the size of a water bottle and weighs a little over a kilogram. Don't let its size fool you though, this fan packs a serious cooling punch. A single charge lasts a whopping 48 hours, thanks to its massive 16,000 milliamp battery. And here's the kicker, that battery can also double as a power bank to keep your phone charged on the go. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal for any traveler. But what really makes the VENTY fan a travel game changer is its versatility. Need a gentle breeze? Low speed is your friend. Struggling with post-hike heat stroke? Crank it up to high. The fan even rotates a full 180 degrees so you can direct that cool air wherever you need it most. Plus it comes with a remote control that works from up to 10 meters away. Perfect for those lazy poolside afternoons. Feeling fancy? It even has 3-level warm ambient lighting to set the mood. Tossing and turning all night? You're not alone. Studies say a whopping 30% of the world wrestles with sleep, and some even live in a constant state of tension. Hello, manager syndrome. If this sounds familiar, then listen up. There's a new gadget that'll might be your ticket to dreamland, the Insomnia Therapy Mini. This little handheld device fits right in your palm and uses microcurrent pulses to help your brain shift into sleep mode. Think of it like any tiny conductor gently guiding your brainwaves into a peaceful rhythm. The result? Better sleep and a noticeable reduction in that inner tension that keeps you wired at night. Plus, the Insomnia Therapy Mini goes beyond sleep. It doubles as a nifty anti-stress toy. The smooth casing is perfect for fiddling when you need to calm your nerves, and a single charge lasts a whopping 20 hours. And there you have it, folks. So if you'd love to check out some other affordable cool gadgets like these, then click right here for another exciting video just like this one.